Good morning, student. Our math topic is geometry. In this topic, we discuss about these points: collinear points, non-collinear points, intersecting line, parallel line, and a perpendicular line. Let us start. Collinear point. Collinear points are those points which are lie in a line, which are lie on a line. A, B, C, A, B, C, D. 3 or more than 3 points when lie on a line, then these points are called collinear points. Point A, B, C, and D are called collinear point. When 3 or more than 3 points lie on a line, then these points are called collinear points. Point A, B, C, and D are collinear point. Next, non-collinear points. Non-collinear points are those points which are not lying on a same line. Point A, B, C. Point AB, BC, AC. These are not non-collinear points because these points are not lie on a line. Point A, B, C are non-collinear points because it is not lie on the same line. Point A, B, C, D are collinear point because these points are lie on a line, and points A, B, C are not lie on a single line, then these points are called non-collinear points. Next, intersecting line. Intersecting line are those lines which are cut each other at a point. Line A, B, C, D. Line AB and CD are intersecting line. Intersecting line are those lines which cut each other at a point. Which cut each other at a point. Then these lines are called intersecting line. AB, CD, two lines which cut each other at point O, then these lines are called intersecting line. Line PQ, RS. Line PQ and RS are intersecting line at point O dash. These lines are called intersecting line. When two lines cut each other at any point, then these lines are called intersecting lines. Next, parallel line. Parallel line are those lines in which distance between them are equal at any where. Parallel line are those lines in which the distance between the two lines are equals in any where. Example is rail line. Distance 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then these lines are called parallel line. A, B, C, D. Line AB and CD are parallel if the distance between them anywhere is equal. Then these lines are called parallel lines. Next, perpendicular line. Perpendicular line are those lines which cut each other at 90 degree. Perpendicular line are those lines which cut each other at 90 degree. Line AB, CD. Line AB and line CD. Line CD cut AB at 90 degree angle, then these lines are called perpendicular line. Then these lines are called perpendicular line. It is denoted by this sign. It is denoted by this sign, parallel line is denoted by this sign. Parallel line is denoted by this sign, and perpendicular line are denoted by this sign. Collinear point are those points which are lie on the same line. Point A, B, and C are lie on the same line. Non-collinear point are those points which are not lie on the same line. Point A, B, and C not lie on the same line. Then these points are called a non-collinear. Intersecting line are those lines which cut each other at a point O. R, S, and P, Q are two lines which cut each other at point O dash. Then these lines are called intersecting line. Parallel line are those lines in which distance between them is equal at anywhere. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Then these lines AB and CD are called parallel line. Parallel line are denoted by this sign. And perpendicular line are those lines which cut each other at 90 degree. Line AB and CD are perpendicular line because line CD cut a line AB at 90 degree. This is denoted by this sign. Thank you for watching.